Hi, I'm James. I'm on the team here at EcoSend, and I wanted to bring you our January 2023 update. So, what is EcoSend? In case you've forgotten, EcoSend is a climate-conscious email marketing platform. So with every campaign you send and every action you take in the platform, EcoSend helps you be more conscious of the climate impact of every single one of your digital marketing activities. EcoSend is a zero-compromise email marketing platform. So what's better for the climate is often what's better for your marketing too. EcoSend makes it easier to send lighter emails that don't clog up your inbox and weigh you down and take ages to load, packed with images and noise and bold visuals. EcoSend makes it easy to also segment your audience so you can send to the right people, not just everyone every time. And EcoSend makes it easy to be more conscious and considerate with every single campaign you send. Considerate for the environment, but also considerate for your audience. From capturing email addresses to sending newsletters to automating drip campaigns, EcoSend makes it easy to do it all while also being conscious of the environment. So what's new in EcoSend in January? Well, we've started the year with some huge updates, which we're thrilled to introduce, and we hope you've been liking so far if you've been early in beta testing any of those. The biggest update of all is our new email templates feature. So we've out of the box got a series of great, simple, clean visual templates, which are a great starting point whether you want to send a message that triggers someone to take action or something more like a newsletter where you want to update your audience. These templates are professionally designed and are built on research that we've carried out with our hundreds of customers, but also from our own work, sending millions of emails and having sent emails and newsletters for over a decade. So we know that these templates are not just any old templates, they're thoughtfully designed, carefully written, and a great starting point for your next campaign. And so these templates are coming to you in the product with a really lovely visual email builder, which joins our simple email builder as well. So you've got a whole range of options for sending your next campaign in the best way possible. So that's what's been going on in the product, alongside a bunch of other stuff. Do sign in now to check out what's been going on in the EcoSend platform. Another big update has been the EcoSend Podcast. The EcoSend Podcast started just at the end of last year. We've already done 9 episodes and completed series 1 of the show. The EcoSend Podcast is me speaking to some amazing people, inspiring people who are leaders in the world of business and in marketing. But the difference is these leaders are putting climate high up on their agenda, if not at the top of their agenda. So I've spoken to some incredible people, and you'll find each show is about 30 minutes or less with some great advice, tips, tricks, and inspiration. And we hope you'll enjoy the show as much as we've enjoyed making it. Please do check it out. We look forward to bringing back the podcast with series 2 very soon. So that's the podcast and the product. We've also, as a team, been trying to do more of the right thing. We've always thought of ourselves as the team that likes to do good stuff, good work, but also build a company and a team that is proud to be here. We've also been carrying out a few other activities led by Chris on the team, who is pushing us always to strive to do better and better as a company. One of the big things at the end of last year we did was we got together and we visited a local food bank and donated a bunch of food, both from the company and from ourselves individually. We also brought loads of our old clothes and things that we didn't need so much anymore, donated them to the bank too, so that people on the streets of London or worried about going to the streets of London wouldn't have to worry so much about going cold over the Christmas period. It was an eye-opening experience, and I'm thrilled that we donated, and we just really want to do more. So we're looking to do these kinds of activities once a month and make sure that as a team we live and breathe our values of trying to do the best thing we possibly can. In addition to those exercises we've done so far, we also have been continuing to carry out our carbon offsetting program, and we've now planted over 2,000 trees, 2,396 trees to be precise, And with every customer that comes on board for EcoSend, every campaign that we're sending out, we're planting more and more. So we're excited to see that number grow. And just wrapping up, I wanted to give you one actionable tip, because we like to keep it actionable, keep it focused on the action at EcoSend. And this one is about email marketing, of course, but it's a suggestion to try something different. So with email marketing, especially as email marketers ourselves, there's often a temptation to start with a big visual thing, a big HTML template, lots of heavy imagery, lots of colors, lots of brightness, lots of visual stuff going on. I would encourage you to try, in all of your email comms, just to try one that doesn't do all of that. Start with a blank canvas, start with just text, and try and avoid using any images, and don't use your normal template. Try sending it with less formatting. And not only is this going to be lighter for your readers and recipients, it'll also be easier to create, but it's also lighter to send, process, and store, which is also a good thing for the climate, because every single byte that is processed and stored everywhere around the world requires energy, and energy requires producing energy, and not all of those ways of producing energy are clean, which is kind of the whole ethos of what we're doing at Go Squared. But this might seem like a small change. I know when we first thought about it and heard about it, it did seem like a small change. Can it really have an impact? But a lot of the things we can do to help with the climate situation right now are small changes. They don't have to be huge. The bigger they get, the better, but we can make a lot of small changes which don't require a tremendous amount of effort. And when you think about it, with the number of emails sent every day, there's over 300 billion emails were sent last year. If we can each be thinking about this more and trying out different tactics, not only could that make a big difference on the environment, it might also be a very impactful thing for our business too. So thank you for watching, thank you for reading, and hope to see you again next month, and hope you enjoy using EcoSend. Catch you soon.